guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing you one of my favourite shells in Fireworks Mania. So we'll just grab a tube and then load in the shell. And here it goes. Nice trail and big boom. Sheesh! With some crackling, of course. See ya!